Hey guys, what's going on? Vega here from Serpent Special Forces, and I'm stopping all my plots, or I'm not doing any future plotting as of time of filming, at least right now, because I really want to conserve my NVMe and SSDs because they're not enterprise grade. And then if you want to know more about what NVMe or SSDs I personally would recommend, my opinion, there's a lot of OGs out there in the space that know a little bit more than me. I will have a future video that will come out, if not this week, next week. So make sure you subscribe to stay up to date. But I want to stop all plots because I really want to conserve my NVMe and SSD life. And if I get out of your way here, I keep everything on track. This is not maybe not 100% actual, but you can see that the Corsair MP600 is down at 88% life expectancy. So that means I only have so much life in every drive. In all SSDs and NVMe drives, there's a certain amount of terabytes written, which again will be covered in a future video. And I'm just going to pause and sit and wait until future updates from Chia Network. I do have another NVMe drive that's on the way, which I'll cover in like how I'm parallel plotting and stuff like that, because I learned a lot of new optimizations from people, not only in various discords and throughout the community, but you can see that I got 4 plots going right now. Once these 4 are done, and the 2 that I have on my NAS are done, then I will wait for the pool protocols or singleton to be released, which according to Bram, they're expecting the 17th, but I'm not gonna set my expectations high. All right, so there's a lot of work that these guys are doing, the people at the Chia Network, the devs, and I really appreciate it that they're having to do to get these pools or the pool protocols outlined, and then these pools have to be created. Now there's a bunch of pools that are already starting to show up. I'm mining poolstats.stream, but of course I would be careful of the pools that are already operational. Do not fall for it. Do not fall for it. So I heard that UU pool is stealing from prospective contributors. H pool, Bram Cohen said do not join any pools at this time. They're not official pools, and he even mentions that there will never be an official pool, but he will link to ones that he believes are credible, have low fees, will run well, and are not scammy. So you really want to keep an eye on Chia Network, Bram Cohen, and wait for updates. Don't just jump on a pool. You don't want to give him your private keys. If you already gave him your private keys, he recommends creating a new wallet and moving everything there. Just because someone like you or me, a small miner at home, are probably using regular NVMe or SSD drives, the problem you're going to bump into is the life expectancy or the total terabytes written. And if you run that drive out, you're going to have to get a new one. Okay? There's no replenishing it. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to stop at my 20 terabytes or so, and I'm going to wait on the pool protocols to be released and for new pools to come out. Now, Coin Breakthrough Caleb's got pool.space coming out. He's already been working on that. If you want to check out that website, which links to their Discord. I know Brandon Coin's working with some people, or working within his community on working, banding together to kind of, earn some Chia. But there's a bunch of pools that when we go to it says coming soon, and then some of them will have like sign up and stuff like that. What I would recommend is, I know there's a lot of pools, a lot of people that are going to be trying to pop up. What I would recommend is what Bram Cohen or Chia Network find as credible pools that you may want to consider. Once you find the pool, and we're gonna get this update. I'm not sure how it's gonna come 100%, but say it's a new wallet update, some stuff is built in, maybe there's some extra steps that we need to do. We're going to have to replot everything. So rather than plotting now, and because it's taking me so long, and you may even be smaller than me because it's taking me so long, I'm gonna stop plotting, wait for the pool protocol to come out, wait for the pools to be announced, or the pools that he finds credible, and then I'm going to replot everything on those new pools. And I would recommend small miners do the same. For big miners that can plot a lot faster, maybe not so much, they'll be just fine. But for the small farmers, the people that could only plot maybe 2 to 15 a day, then you might want to just hang tight, save the life expectancy or the overall life of your SSD or NVMe drives, and just wait for pool protocols to come out, wait for the pools to be officially released. And I say officially, but at least have the seal of approval from Bram and the Chia Network team. But that's going to do it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button, subscribe for additional content like this, and just have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. We'll catch you in the next one.